He's on it.
Stop.
Dr. Dave, you want to pull in that downhaul, or that topping lift for him there? There's one that he just loosened. It's on the deck there. No, not that, Dave. You see it, Mike? The one, yeah, hold that. Pull it. Okay, clean it off. All right, start feeding the green. Start feeding the green. No, not that. That's you, Mike. Start feeding the green. Green line. You get that out around the finisher, or the jib. Okay, we're coming up to the mark here. Okay, we're going to come down, get ready to hoist. Feed it. Not feeding. Get ready to hoist. All right, hoist, hoist, hoist. Push the pole forward. There we go. Jib down, jib down. Just coming down.
The key flag removed and locked down. 20 seconds. Key flag removed and locked down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Yeah, green
5,
seeker down.
4, 3, 2,
And release
1.
the red one.
Now.
Okay.
To Perf 1 flying sails and Perf 1 non-flying sails flags removed and found.
Yeah, I think last time we did all carriers.
20 seconds. Perf 1 flying sails and Perf 1 non-flying sails flags removed and found in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now.
All clear.
Okay, let's get set for a jive. So, Dave, you gotta pull down the tweakers. Alright. Foredeck, Dave, you ready? Okay. Boom. Okay. Watch the boom. Here comes the boom. You just gotta grab it, Dave. Grab it with your hand. No, it goes underneath. It goes underneath. Front. Okay, get it on the pole. Okay. There we go. Done. Bring it against the boom, Dave.
Pretty tight at the bottom.
Yeah, can you ease the green? Actually, Dave, somebody released the green tweaker. There we go. He's dead. Okay, so on the douse, foredeck Dave, you're going to put the jib up, okay? And then you're going to take the pole down and stow it. And then Dr. Dave, as soon as he has the pole up, I want you to grab the red line and start to pull it in, okay? And then once you get the pole stowed, foredeck Dave, you can release the green halyard. With the topping lift, don't worry about easing it from the from down there. Just unclip it from the pole and clip it back on, and then put the pole down. Actually, so you're gonna take the pole off, unclip the topping lift, stow it, then blow the halyard, and then stow the pole. Okay? Does that make sense?
So topping lift is back on the
Put it back on the ring. Yeah.
This coming off.
No, you take the pole off, right?
Okay.
And then you take the topping lift off the pole, and then you stow the topping lift on the ring, and then you blow the spinnaker halyard so that the sail can come down, okay? And then you stow the pole. Now make sure that it goes underneath the jib sheet. This thing, right there. Make sure the pole goes underneath that.
And Dave could gather before he.
And then Dave, as soon as foredeck Dave takes the pole off, you're gonna grab that red line and start pulling in. Okay?
Over the leg.
Yeah.
And basically, do I get up on there or just breathe?
Whatever you have to do. Let the pole forward a bit, Berkey.
This all happens before the mark.
Yeah, it's gonna happen soon. Let the pole forward. There, that's good. Bring it back again. Pull forward. Pull forward. Well, okay. Let's start getting rid of it. Okay, so jib up. Ease the green. The jib up. What's happening with that jib sheet? All right, pull down, Dave. Ease it. Okay. Stop and lift off. Okay, blow the halyard. Okay, we got plenty of time. Okay, halyard, Dave. All right, start pulling it in.
You guys ready?
Yeah, go.
You go.
All right, Berkey, start trimming the general. Dave, can you clean up the jib halyard there?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start coming up here.
People live there?
Yeah, I got him. Okay, we're tightening up here.
Why am I doing this, guys?
Not that tight. Use there. Yeah, there. Dave, pull, push the pole against the force there. Push it forward, okay, yeah. And Dr. Dave, you gotta help that green corner out. Help it out around the sail.
Okay, I got that.
Pulling the green. Push the pole forward, push the pole forward. Okay, hold on. Hold on to it, Dave. Okay, get ready on the halyard. Ready? Okay, coming around the mark. And hoist. Pull forward. Ready? Okay, jib down. Jib up. Okay, let's get ready for a jog. Tweakers down, Dave. Okay, go, Dave. Go. Yeah. Boom. Help it around the force stay up there, Dave. Make sure it doesn't get caught around the force stay. Ease that green, Berkey? Yeah.
East.
Get somebody against the boom, please.
Good.
Yeah.
Turn. Yeah, just focus on turning there. I got the guy.